and the dinosaur lived happily ever after. Isn't that a great book?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, want to read another one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Ah, the letter of the day book. Interesting. I wonder what it's about.
Yeah.
There's the letter U, our letter for the day. Can anyone give us a word that begins with U? Millicent, how about you?
Uncle?
Very good. Anyone else? Jason, do you have one?
Umpire.
That's good. How about you, Angela?
Unicorn.
Excellent. Let's see. Christopher, we can always count on you.
Underwear.
Oh, well, yes, that's true. Okay, Hubert, we're ready for you. I guess we know your U word. Umbrella.
Under. You.